guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great Saturday and preparing for the Super Bowl tomorrow. Let me know who you guys got for the winner. Comment down below. Today we're gonna finish the truck up, but before I do so, I am gonna take the dog to the dog park real quick because he needs to get out and have some fun. I'm gonna bring you guys with me, so I guess you guys can call today a vlog. Here's what the coil springs look like with all the clear coat on them, 3 coats, like I said last night. And here's the control arms. They look pretty sweet. So when I get back, I will reveal the color that I went with for the shocks. We'll put everything back together. We'll put the tires back on. Man, these things look massive off the truck, but as soon as you put them back on the truck, they look really small. It's funny how that works, huh? Anyway, so we'll put everything back together and I'll do a cold start for you guys because, like I said, the truck has been started in 4 days. So I'm gonna go run to the dog park and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Or not, but I had no clue Mercedes made smart cars. Okay, go. Turbo, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my God. Whoa. Jesus. His favorite thing to do is go around in circles and splash. This is why I can't go on walks with you. Every time you see a puddle, you stop and splash. Every time. Jeremy, what are you doing? This is what I mean. That was the last puddle we hit. Walking towards this way, and he's already in another puddle. Guarantee he'll stop at that puddle right there too. All right, guys, we are back out in the shop. As you can see, he loves splashing in puddles. Ever since I've had him since he was about 8 weeks old, he has loved to do so. He just likes to go in circles and splash around. I don't know why. There's nothing wrong with him. He is completely fine, but it's one of his favorite things to do. So let's get to the truck. I'm gonna take off all the plastic on both sides and the wheel wells, and then we are going to reveal the color I wanted for the shocks. We will get those installed. I will show you guys how to do that on one side real quick, and then I'll get the other side done, and then we'll put the rims and tires back on and drop it down. Nothing like Starbucks in the morning. Gotta be basic sometimes, guys. All right, so I know some of you guys couldn't sleep last night because you were so excited to find out what color I went with for the shocks. So without further ado, here is the color. Look at that. Damn! It is so shiny. I don't know how well you can see because of the lighting in here, but this color, I mean, it looks sweet. It's gonna go so nice with the candy white I picked for the coil springs. So there's the 2 front shocks, the front stabilizer shock, candy white, shock towers, candy white, and then throttle body cover is that metallic blue, like I said before. Here's the alternator holder, brace, bracket, whatever you want to call it. Fuse box. This is pretty, it's been sitting here for 2 days, so I need to wipe the dust off of it. But I'm gonna pull those down, get the tape off the shocks, and then I will show you guys on the passenger side how to install the shock, just in case some of you guys don't know how to do it and you want to replace your shocks. I'll show you how, and then I'll do the other side, and then we'll put the rims and tires on it, drop it down, and do a cold start. I was gonna show you the passenger side first, but I don't know where I put my keys, so I gotta find those so I can move the steering linkage, because the bottom bolt for the shock right in here is covered by the steering linkage. You have to turn the wheel in order to do it, unless you want to take off your steering linkage, which I don't want to do. So I'm gonna start on the driver's side. Yeah. All right, so we got the shock in there. Now you take a 13/16 inch socket, and there's a bolt that you're gonna take and put right in here. All right, so next you gotta pull the spring down, put your rubber and metal pieces in the bottom and the top of the shock tower, and then you got 3 9/16 inch nuts you gotta throw on there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the rims and tires on, the front stabilizer shocks on, and now I'm just putting the last couple of pieces under the engine bay, and then we're going to wrap this thing up and I'll do a cold start. So first I'm just going to throw the throttle body cover on real quick. And there's two little plastic screws that just go in. If I can get them in there. Oh, gotta grab a screwdriver. Everyone prepared for the Super Bowl? You guys excited? Another Super Bowl? I'm excited for the commercials. They're always really interesting. Bud Light always makes a really good commercial with the Clydesdales. It's always a good one. I'm pretty impressed with this color. I don't know about if you guys can see it very well, but I think it looks pretty sweet. Fuse box cover. I know, I need to clean up my wiring. That's easy. Yeah, I literally got loose wires. I just need to come through and just cut all this crap out. Alright, last but not least, the alternator brace, or bracket, whatever you want to call it. You can take the bracket off without having to disconnect the alternator or take it off your belt, so that's why I decided to take it off. It's pretty simple. You just got one long bolt that screws right into the engine block. Don't tighten it all the way down until you get the other one in. That way you can adjust it. Tight. I think I gotta pull this a little bit. There we go. Too far. Success. Yes. All right, now you can tighten down the other bolt completely. Perfect. And I almost forgot about the big honking air filter. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to get one for yourselves. It has definitely helped the truck breathe a lot better. I have noticed a huge difference between that and the stock air filter that came with the truck when I got it. And it just looks cool. All right, guys, we are all done. I'm gonna put on the hood and we'll do a cold start. this video. I got everything put back on the truck. I'm pretty happy with the result. It's not permanent, it's just temporary. Like I said, I'm just messing around with some colors, and I actually think it turned out pretty sweet. So with that being said, if you're not subscribing to the channel already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow, and I would appreciate it. I will see you guys next week.